Oh, come on. Seriously?
Ever open an app and just freeze? Yeah, technology has a language problem. So we translate it into plain, simple English. We talk your talk.
We.
Talk.
Your.
Your talk.
We explain everything you need to know. Better, faster, simpler, easier to understand. No technical jargon. No endless reports. Just what you really need to know. Set up your first Gmail account in under 2 minutes. Turn a single sentence into a moving image with Google Flow. Unlock the productivity hacks hiding in the apps you already use every day. Simple tutorials, quick tips, zero fluff. We're a team ready to help you, and every video we share is designed to solve your problems. New tutorials every week. Click subscribe and stay logged in. Don't miss our latest updates.